Well, today is only the 11th of this year, and January 11th, 2025, and I already have a third marble machine. I just, I just cannot print enough of them. Well, this is it. Uh, I'm going to show it to you like that, and then on the back of it is like this, and there is a hand crank that uh, you turn, and then it works as follows. Let's see. On this video, I'm going to make it. I'm going to make this video a little bigger. There we go. And basically, you just turn this knob, and there it goes. It's very simple. One thing I would recommend is print the parts first before you assemble. Uh, I crazy glued this part here, and then I also crazy glued the parts on the bottom. And probably this camera will show it better. This here, and then this here has the same hourglass, or not hourglass, but like a light bulb looking connector. Because this piece is printed separately, and then I crazy glued it to this. So you could do that before you print the rest of it, but make sure you don't glue this yellow piece in its place, because you need to put in this wheel first, and then this knob goes from the other side and sticks out. And also there is a bushing in here, yellow color in here. So you insert that first, and then you put in this piece, and twist it once you are through this yellow bracket, and then you can go ahead and put this yellow piece here on the bottom, and crazy glue it if that's what you want to do. Okay. So one more time, it's assembly after you print all the parts. I kind of rushed things a little bit, and because of that, I had to put that pin I showed you a second ago into a wrong side, which is okay. It still works. So anyway, I hope you like it. I hope you have fun with it, and download it, print it. It's very simple to assemble, and have fun with it. Have a fantastic day. Give me thumbs up, and spread the news. Have a great day again. Bye bye.